Hello everyone, welcome to this introductory video course on print and broadcast journalism. Myself is Dr. Neeta Khandelwal, working in HECM department, SDAU. Decades back, newspaper and radio were the only mean to remain informed about the issues and incidents. The first newspaper in India was published in the year 1780 and radio broadcasting started in the early 1920s. Later, television was introduced in the year 1959, become popular mean, and now there are so many 24 hours news channels to quench the thirst of the news and information. And present day, media is not only providing the information but also influencing the opinion of people. Therefore, we can say that journalism remains one of the fast growing sectors in the world today. The profession of the production and distribution of the reports on current event and issues through print and electronic media is known as journalism. Print journalism is basically any journalistic material in the printed form like newspaper, magazine, while its modern counterpart is called broadcast journalism, which makes use of the electronic technology like radio, television, digital platform to disseminate the news, information and interesting content. It acts as the bridge between what happened and what people really do with that of information. The people who are engaged in writing stories, reporting live or broadcasting the articles on radio or television are known as journalists. However, being a journalist is not an easy task. One needs to possess several qualities to become a success in this field. A good journalist must be curious, courageous, good communicator, constant and creative. With these qualities, a journalist may keep his or her readers, audience or viewers hooked and help them to make sense of their world as a critical thinking and well-informed citizens. Keeping the importance of this profession in mind, here we are offering a MOOCs on print and broadcast journalism. The core objective of the course is to develop understanding and the knowledge among the learners about in reporting, writing and presentation skills in print and broadcast journalism. Curriculum of the course comprises 4 units. The first unit will provide an overview of the journalism. The topic is open up with the concept, meaning and importance of the print and broadcast journalism, types of the journalism along with the role and responsibilities of the journalist in the society. It will also examine the legal provisions and ethical consideration that govern the practice of the journalism. Basic terminology used in the print and broadcast journalism will also include that is helpful for the students for understanding of the context and specialized tracks. Well, second unit is all about the print journalism, which will introduce the concept, definition, element, types and source of news. Then emphasis will be on component of news writing, different styles of news writing and basics of reporting. Well, gathering information is comparatively easy for the students, but they don't have skills to analyzing and writing it. So, section will shed light on the principles and techniques of the journalistic writing and teach the students how to organize and make the story. Well, the different forms of the journalistic writing, for instance, feature writings, opinion writing, narrative writing, as well as the difference between writing for each form will be also discussed. Third unit of the course will focus on the broadcast journalism. In this unit, we will try to develop an understanding among the students about the characteristics of the TV and radio news and their comparison with the print media, as how writing for the broadcast journalism is differ from the print. Writing for the different types of the TV and radio formats like interviews, documentaries, talk show, how to write a script for the radio and TV, and what is the standard script layout for radio and TV program will also discuss. How to develop the storyboard for the video program, what broadcast writing styles keeps in mind while writing for the TV and radio will also critically examine in this unit. The final unit of the course will deal with editing. It will begin with meaning, objectives and principles of the editing, functions and the responsibilities of the editor and sub-editor, then how to use graphics, cartoon and statistics, how to rectify and review the script, and lastly it will conclude with the editing styles and layout with brief of proofreading. Through this way, we will try to cover our entire course. This course is open for aspirants having a graduate degree in any stream with an inquisitive mind. Participants should be well proficient in English as English is the medium of instruction. This is a 4-credit course, has been designed in 40 modules for 15 weeks, and every week near to 2 or 3 modules will be uploaded. This course will enrich with video lectures, e-content, references, assignments and the model questions. I hope the Perspective course will not only develop an understanding about the journalism but impart the writing skills among the learners for the print and broadcast journalism and helpful them to start their career as a journalist, reporters, content writer and sub-editor. Thank you.